The month of May marks the commemoration of Africa Month, and the 25th of May is celebrated as Africa Day. While the month of May provides the heightened focus on the African continent, as Pan-Africanists, we strongly believe that the African agenda is not limited to this month, and that growing the continent's economy should remain a daily commitment from all of us. We are aware of the challenges plaguing our sector, including limited airlift as well as immigration regulations. As the Minister of Tourism in South Africa, I remain committed to tackling these and deepening our relationship with the various countries on the rest of the African continent. Since taking up this portfolio, I've already engaged with several of my counterparts from various countries. I look forward to partnerships that will see us grow the Africa's tourism sector and further boost trade relations and inter-Africa travel. For this month, as we celebrate, let us tell our stories loudly and proudly. Let us use our colorful, many cultures and our undeniably warm nature to embrace each other. Let us use our well-known African rhythm as a continent to synchronize harmonious efforts that will see our continent's tourism flourish. I look forward again to visiting other countries within our beautiful continent and to strengthen relationship and collaboration. I'm also confident that many South Africans cannot wait to welcome our fellow Africans who continue to opt to visit South Africa. Thank you for choosing to come journey with us. The month of May serves as a reminder of the power that lies in Africa's people. Through this month, may each and every one of us be inspired to contribute to our collective progress and success for our beloved continent. Happy Africa Month.